Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect an external monitor to your DELL Pro 14. To do that, you can use your HDMI port on the left edge of the laptop. Just use an HDMI cable like this one, insert it, the one side of it into your HDMI port, the other side will go into your external monitor. Make sure that your external monitor is also separately powered. So make sure to connect a power cable to your external monitor, because otherwise you will not be able to project any image from your laptop to it. If you don't like HDMI, or if you don't have an HDMI, or if your monitor doesn't support HDMI connections, you can also use these two USB-C ports. This one is the Thunderbolt and it supports DisplayPort 2.1. And this one is USB 3.A, which supports DisplayPort 2.0. So you can connect an external monitor to your laptop using a DisplayPort adapter. So DisplayPort USB-C to regular DisplayPort, and this way you can connect your laptop to an external monitor. Or you can also use them with an HDMI adapter, although I'm not sure. Anyway, you have the HDMI port in such case, so yeah, so you can either use USB-C to DisplayPort or HDMI. After that, to adjust your projection settings, if you want to do it quickly, you can press the combination of Windows and P buttons together and then select the projection type that you want to use. So you can use PC screen only. This will not project anything. Duplicate, which will mirror your laptop screen to your external monitor. Extend, which will make your external monitor an extension of your main display. Or second screen only, which will move your display to the external monitor, blacking out your main display. And for additional display settings, go to Settings, System on the sidebar, and here you can select Display. Here you can rearrange your monitors, including your built-in one and the external one, and you can also adjust all the rest of the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.